everyone, Jerry Ford. I'm gonna review some Smoking Goat Farms garlic pepper salt. All right. So what I'm gonna do is had corn dogs and fries today for dinner. Wife is just making something easy tonight. She usually does bigger stuff, but something gives her a break. Uses the air fryer for the fries, corn dogs. Use them and put them in the oven. Let me grab me a napkin. So I thought an idea. I think my wife actually thought of it. For the fries, we usually use this stuff for the seasoning, the Lawry's, but I thought maybe one of these would be a nice, different alternative. My wife was thinking maybe the garlic pepper salt would be a good one on the fries, and I had a leftover corn dog. I thought might as well see what it's like with that on that as well. Granger County, 100% authentic, fruitwood cured smoked garlic pepper salt. This is your next secret ingredient. Please enjoy the salt from Mo the Goat. Garlic pepper salt. So, I don't know if I've ever actually experienced anything that was smoked with fruitwood, but I guess it's wood that comes from a tree, a fruit type tree, and smoked and cured in there. So this salt was smoked with the fruitwood. My wife made maybe some information here from their website. You guys go to their website and check it out. Let's see. So the garlic pepper salt, the ingredients is kosher salt, garlic, pepper, and fruitwood smoke. Yes, that's it, it says. Description. If you're looking for our latest great salt product, you found it. Use Smoking Goat garlic pepper salt in all your favorite recipes to season meat, fish, and poultry. The possibilities are endless. All the rich aroma and taste of our smoked salt with the added kick of garlic and pepper. We have always been careful to share a flavor that balanced heat with smoke, but sometimes you need a little extra garlic and pepper kick. Try it in a cocktail. Ooh. Maybe make a michelada with it or something. Size, it's a 1 ounce bottle, non-GMO, artisan crafted, fruitwood smoked. Okay. Got another little bit of information here I'll read. Let's check this out first while everything's still a little warm. It's got a nice little seal on there for protection. Okay, so somebody there at Smoking Goat Farms is interested in my first experience with the smell of this as soon as I open it up. The smokiness of the fruitwood and the smoke. So here we go. Ooh. Oh, wow. That does smell really good. That's a nice smoky aroma. The garlic mixed in there. Woody kind of a... Yeah, it smells really good. Let's see. Just want to taste it just before I put it on here. Now this might make me cough. Sometimes salt makes me cough. So it's a good possibility. See? Ooh, wow. I'll be all right. My wife's laughing. Yeah, I said, my wife says you should get you a bottle of water. Let me do that. Excuse me just a moment. Won't take but a second. I'll be right back. Lickety split. Ooh, that's flavorful though. That garlic and that smokiness. I can definitely see that being really good in certain kinds of foods. Fish, chicken, definitely. All right. Get that one. I really don't know if it's just me or would anybody cough when they eat salty stuff. Man, stop it. All right, so let's try get a little bit of this on these fries. And I'll put a little bit in this corn dog. Make sure it's sticking to it a little bit. Oh yeah, that goes good with the fries. I cut open the top of the corn dog so I could put it, so it wouldn't roll off of it. So I put it right down inside there. I'm going to try this on some other stuff. Pair it with some other things on video. This is just what we had available tonight. I really wanted to try this, so made allowances just with our leftovers. Wow, that tastes really good on a corn dog. Should be good on some eggs. Turkey. All right. I don't cough as much when I actually sprinkle it on stuff. I do a little bit, but Very good flavor. Okay. Let's find out a little bit about Smoking Goat Farms. And this is all from their website, so if you want to read the stuff for yourself, go to their website and check it out. So, writing an About Us page is a bit like filling out a dating profile. You never know exactly what to say or what people want to know. Our philosophy is pretty simple. We're cooks first and farmers second. Our passion has grown from the table to the garden. We are constantly improving our growing process and are as sustainable as possible in every effort. The first thing we grew was a sense of humor, and you'll see that a lot on our website. We get serious about great food and great customer service, though. We want you to be happy. That's our bottom line. In the future, we hope to include some of you in our growing efforts. If you'd like to be part of our team as a customer, a vendor, retailer, or grower, contact us. We would love to hear from you. In the hills of Granger County, there is a small farm run by people who love food, fun, and food that's fun. The time-honored vocation of farming in East Tennessee proves to be an enriching experience that's both good for the body and the soul. Every once in a while, some lucky someone stumbles across a flavor that is so unique and so compelling that it simply must be shared. We believe our products are just that. It is with great pride that Smoking Goat Farms announces the availability of our farm's bounty and the results of our meticulous proprietary process to the rest of the world. We feel certain that you will love them as much as we do. Thank you for visiting, shopping with us, and spreading the word about our products to your friends and family. Sincerely, Mo the Goat. That's pretty cool. All right. Well, I got five more little bottles to check out, so y'all look forward to those. And as I get other stuff to check out, to pair with these salts, I'm going to be trying it out. So I might as well video myself trying them out, so you guys can watch for those. But in the meantime, go to their website and check them out on there. Look at they got these cool little bottles that have these snap tops. They're really neat, and I think it'd be like a neat idea for for gifts. Really neat gift ideas. They'd be a cool. What do you call those gifts, honey? Coming in the door on Christmas parties? Door prize? Is that right? Door prize. When you can draw names for things. So if they draw your name out of the hat, you get the prize. So this, these little spice jars. When you look at on their website, you'll see them. They're really cute. It'd be cool little gift ideas for people, stocking stuffers for the cook of the family. So yeah, check them out. All right, so I'm going to end it there. I thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you to Smoking Goat Farms crew, the ones that are responsible for packing these up, sending them to me. I appreciate that as well. And we'll see you all on the next one. Bye.